So hey everyone, today we are at Trichy Birds Park and here we have ostrich. We are going to feed her with this. Let's go. It bit my finger. So now we are going to the next bird. His name is Emu. This guy is having his own private swimming pool here. Lucky fellow. Here we have a lot of egg species. This is not to make omelette, but to just see. I think these are all preserved so that in future, if someone like me is going to invent a machine that could regenerate all these species, then I could bring back these two lives again. இவங்க தான் தாடி வைத்த dragon. Topper is always busy, guys. See, he is studying even after coming to Birds Park. What to do? Enjoy life, guys. Enjoy life. இந்த அப்புறம் இங்கே ஃப்ராகு டரான்டுலா இதுதான் சாப்பிட முடியாது. அதுக்கப்புறம் கார்ன் ஸ்னேக் நல்லா இருக்குது. இதுக்கு எக்ஸாட்டிக் ஸ்னேக்ஸ். அல்பினோ ஃபெரட். ஆக்சுவலி இதை நிறையா மூவிஸ்க்கு பாட்டு தலைவன் நல்லா தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கான் சாப்பிட்டு. My God, oh my God, fishes are so beautiful. I badly want to eat one right now. Not from these, but definitely after going outside, I am eating fish today. If I don't see these boundaries, it looks like this fish is literally flying, guys. That's how clean the glass is and the water. Looks magnificent. Fish. So hey everyone, we are at Trichy Birds Park. We have this guy here, and I am here. Topper here. This is filled with birds, and here we have a python. Let's go. So hey everyone, this is Mr. Birdie. Just now I have kept him a name. So how do you feel, Birdie? How is Trichy's Bird Park? So this is the Trichy's Bird Park, and birds are free inside. You can just get any bird whichever you want for a short span of time. If they like you, they will just sit on your hand. A good experience. Whoever is going to visit Trichy, this is a really must place to visit. Let's go.